Welcome to today's talk on the wonders of nature and the journey of becoming a vegan. As we delve into the beauty of the great outdoors, let's discuss the importance of adopting a plant-based lifestyle for the better might of our health and the environment. Nature is our greatest teacher, showing us the importance of living in harmony with its cycles and resources. By becoming a vegan, we are not only protecting our bodies, but also the ecosystems that we depend on. A plant-based diet is rich in essential nutrients, reducing our reliance on harmful animal products such as hormones, antibiotics, and pollution. By embracing a vegan lifestyle, we contribute to the prevention of various diseases, including cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. Moreover, a vegan lifestyle has a significant impact on the environment. By reducing our carbon footprint, we help preserve natural habitats, reduce deforestation, and conserve wildlife. So, let's embark on this journey together, embracing the beauty of nature while taking a stand for the animals and the planet. Remember, nature and veganism go hand in hand.